How to fix your account is restricted right now problem on WhatsApp. So if you want to fix your account is restricted right now problem on your WhatsApp, or WhatsApp account has been restricted, then what you need to do is this happens when WhatsApp detects unusual activity like sending too many messages or using unofficial apps or violating their policy. But the good news is you can fix it easily. So firstly, you need to open up your settings application. After that, scroll down and then you will find an option of apps. You need to tap on it and go with Manage Apps. From Manage Apps, you need to go and search for WhatsApp. After that, tap on WhatsApp application, go with Clear Data, and then go with Clear Cache, and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store, and from the Play Store, you need to go with Search and search for WhatsApp. After searching for your WhatsApp, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, you need to just simply go and update it. And after updating your WhatsApp, the problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go and uninstall your WhatsApp and then again reinstall and re-log into your WhatsApp, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.